Buongiorno, another recipe from Gabriella's book, Torta di Mele. Ingredients: milk, granulated sugar, flour, egg whites, egg yolks, lemon zest, butter, baking powder, lemon juice, rum, in this case is agricole, apple, take 10. We start with apple first. For the apple, granulated sugar, lemon juice, rum. We start to peel the apple and then we cut in very thin slice, very thin slice. In this case like that. And then we start to cut very thin. Then, after a slice of apple, we go to add 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar, lemon juice, and rum agricole, and we let infuse the apple for 1 hour at room temperature. It's important combine gentle and pay attention, don't break a slice of apple. If it breaks, it doesn't matter. It's important that some of slice remain whole. All right. Now I go to cover with the plastic wrap and I keep it room temperature for 1 hour. Cake mixture: baking powder, flour, lemon zest, milk, sugar, butter and yolks. We start to whip it, the yolks with a butter. A butter we add in 2 times. And we try to, by hand, to let incorporate very well. Like this we combine very well. Then we add the rest of the ingredients, the other of the ingredients, and we start with the hand mixer. The second part of the batter. Part of sugar. Now we start with the electric mixer. Gradually we add all ingredients. Milk in 2, 3, 4 times. It's not necessary pour all together because we risk that everything will be separated, okay? Lemon zest and part of flour. We start time by time, like this doesn't become lumpy, and then we restart with the electric hand mixer. Until all flour will be combined together. At this moment, with the rubber spatula, we scrape very well a side of the bowl. We clean here on the hand mixer, and we add baking powder for last. You know, this is activated with the humidity and temperature. And we finish to whip egg whites in a bowl, previously cleaned very well with lemon juice or vinegar. It's important they are not fatty, and we let them whip it. hard pick. Now we incorporate the egg whites in 2-3 times in the mixture, gentle, always from the bottom to the top. Second part. Mixture is done. Now we go ahead to brush with the butter our cake pan. Very well. Considering for a cake pan large 30-35 centimeter, you need 40-50 grams of butter to be sure that everything came out very well after baking. There are not the specific rules, but I recognize that is the quantity that is required for this quantity of this size, of the cake pan. All right, good. Then like that. If you want, in this case, we can go till top, because this cake develop in the oven. There are inside leavening agents like as a baking powder. Granulated sugar. Granulated sugar helps to came out, but then help the cake to remain attached on the side during the baking process and develop much better and doesn't fold after baking. Remove the excess. All right. And we dispose with the ladle the cake mixture in the center, and then the way of the butter, the cake butter, adjust and be evenly by itself. We can use a ladle like this for help. All right. And we dispose the apple. We can choose to dispose the apple like as a fan or as a group, like this, or like that, or as a fan. It's not necessary. There are not the specific rules, as needed, as you prefer. In this case, I prefer dispose as a fan, like this. Okay, the last slice of apple is important for obtain a good result. That the quantity of the apple is enough for give the moist texture to our cake. The quantity that is in the recipe is a lot, and is important to respect the recipe method of preparations for obtaining the perfect execution of the cake. All right, cake is done. 150 degrees Celsius, 35 minutes. Smell delicious. We remove the cake pan. It's very hot, and we dispose on the plate I use this method for be sure that the base is completely removed by the base. And now I paint. Okay, is simply beautiful. And the last touch, I dust with the powdered sugar. The cake is done. Enjoy.